Luis Pible, Gunnery Philippines. Niyaya si Oyo sa Magallanes. Ang problema, madali lang naman eh. Umulan! So hindi talaga sa binudol. Kasi barkada yan eh. Umulan! Magallanes! Tapos yung trailhead nila, hindi racer, insecured. Nakabase, nagbabayad ng trail guide, binudol sila. Hindi si Luis na ng budol yung trail guide. Na naka-DT, naka-light bike. Ano yun, yung mga bikes na pwede mong isemplang, pwede mong buhatin, mababa ang center of gravity. Diba? Eto beta, brand new, matigas pa sa suspension yan. Tapos yung tinapin si Oyo, push, tulong na lang maghanap ng bayan nito. Sabi, ano ka naman sa'yo? Straighten your back, don't break your back, diba? How do you deadlift? How do you squat? You can figure it out. Just don't break your back. Why? Si coach ka, mabibilang mo ang sentral ko siguro, baka million. Because I was a tender. Growing up. And I was 5'6". So when I was 12 years old, naka-big bike na ako. So imagine, mas shorter pa. Hindi abot. So, motor kami hanggang Marilake, hanggang Mega Mall, Mandaluyong. Walang helmet, naka-dirt bike. 12 years old, 11 years old.
Hindi pa kasi namuhuli yun.
Eh. Don't ask my age, I'm old.
Wala pang kamote na award. Wala pang kamote na award.
Short.
Naka-Honda ako ng
So,
Umabot